The thing is that the students are not attending the school regularly, and they are not serious in their studies. They, they are overconfident. You see, if the students come regularly to the school, अगर वो लोग रोज आते हैं, then the homework can be completed, the classwork can be completed. Accordingly, also the syllabus for the coming year can be also completed. And in this way, slowly but surely, we can prepare the students for the board examination. But if the students do not follow this principle, what can be done? The thing is that, you see, in the class of class 9B, in which I am teaching, some students do not come. The special classes for coaching were given in class 9. Some of the students came, some of the students never came. So why this is happening? This is happening because of the child's overconfidence. They are thinking that they know too much. And knowing too much is thinking that one knows too much. This is a wrong thing. Simplicity and being practical are very important in the student's life. By simplicity and by practical, it means that the student must think honestly that he or she is prepared for the examination, know the syllabus well, know the subject matter well, and practical means that the student must know that if I do not do my homework, if I do not do my classwork, if I do not come regularly to school, then I will be missing out all the opportunities of getting the knowledge in the respective subjects. But the students are not following this. And they are thinking that they know everything. And this is a wrong, this is very, very wrong. This is what a parents and guardians know. If अगर आपका बच्चे लोग आते नहीं है स्कूल में, तो आप लोग खुद जानते हैं कि स्कूल में नहीं आते हैं, आप लोग एक्शन क्यों नहीं लेते हैं? You should take action, but you are not taking the action. You are not coming to school and asking the class teachers concerned whether the child is coming regularly to school or not, how he or she is studying. This is what you are not doing, and the children are taking advantage of this. You see, the board examination is for the new academic year. The guardians are coming for admission, and students of different schools are coming. Even students of Vikas Bharati High School have joined again. What does this imply? All this indicates that the standard of education of Vikas Bharati High School is good. So, because of this, our students of the board examination have been doing very well continuously, and they have procured 100% success rate. They have got admission into the best of schools. There are two boards being followed in the school at present. One is CBSE pattern of education, the other is the West Bengal board pattern of education. And the CBSE pattern of education is because of you parents, guardians requirements. You have insisted upon implementing the CBSE pattern of education, and this is what we have done according to your requirement. But accordingly also the students must come regularly to the school. They must be attentive, they must be disciplined, they must do their homework and classwork on time, but they are not doing this. So when our board students, ex-students have done well, they have got admission into the best of schools. Some of them, many of them have completed their engineering. Some of them have completed their further studies, their master's degree in commerce, and some of them have become doctors. Some of them have become they're doing they're studying science, and you see, in this way they have built for them a good future. This opportunity the students have got from the school. Your wards can also get this opportunity, but when can they get this opportunity? If they only understand that it is very important for them to come to school regularly. It is very important for them to attend the classes with discipline and with firm determination. with concentration in their studies, then they will do well. Otherwise, they will not do well. The students of class 9 had been given a special coaching recently only, but only few students came, many others never came. Why is this? And the parents guardians know about it, but the parents guardians did not inquire about it, did not even care about it, and because of this, the students are just thinking that what they are doing is right, and they will continue to do this. And if they continue studying in this kind of a fashion, they will definitely go down. So they will be the ones who will be ruining their future. When the school has always thinks about building the child's future. See, the motto of the school is that for the students to try to get the best result. We are not satisfied with the previous year's result. We want that the students of the school should break the past results, the past record. But with this kind of expectation in mind, how can we fulfill it? We can only fulfill it if the parents and guardians are serious, if many of the students are serious in their studies, if they come regularly, if they maintain discipline, if they live a simple life and a practical life. By simplicity and practicality, it means that the students must understand that if I do not come to school and regularly, I will be missing out my homework and classwork. I will be missing out my studies. I will be missing out my knowledge in every subject. I will not be able to build a future for myself. And once if I do not build a future for myself, then I will be null and void. I will have no value in life, in today's world. This is what the school is giving. And when the school is giving such a big opportunity, the child must be able to take it. We are playing our part. The parents and guardians and students should play their part. Because you see, the students are not students of little classes. Little class students are also very cautious. They're very conscious about what they are doing, or what they should do, what they should not do. You see, some of the students come, morning students, they come and catch my feet. It is not that I am saying come and catch my feet. It is according to your Hindu religion that you respect the parents and the teachers, and they come and do this. Why? Because they are loving, because they are understanding, they are getting the inculcation from their parents and guardians to do it. Then why don't you as parents and guardians inculcate into the minds of your wards that the main thing to overcome this problem? I will tell you, listen to it carefully, very carefully, just listen to this. This to get for the child to live a simple and practical life, and to overcome his or her overconfidence, you must begin it at home. You should tell the wards, love and respect your parents and guardians at home. You should tell your wards, if you love and respect your parents and guardians at home, then only you will love and respect your teachers in the school. You will love and respect your studies. You will understand the value of your studies. You will understand the value of the society. You will understand the value of yourself. You will understand that why you have come into this world. You have come into this world to grow in leap and bound, and to grow to help others in the society. And this is what they will think, and then they will understand the value of the teachers. They will understand the value of the school. They will understand the value of the society. They will understand the value of their studies. They will understand the value of their future, and they will study well. But this is what you are not inculcating into the minds of the students. आप उन लोगों को मन में ये बैठा दीजिए कि देखिए प्यार होता है, प्यार शुरू होता है परिवार में. अगर परिवार को आप प्यार दिखाएगा, मम्मी डैडी को प्यार दिखाएगा, तो अब इसी प्यार से आप दूसरा कोई को भी प्यार दिखाएगा. जरूर आप प्यार टीचर को दिखाएगा, और प्यार से ही आप पढ़ेगा, और प्यार से सब कुछ होता है. और देखिए प्यार से वो आएगा स्कूल में रेगुलरली, बिकॉज दे विल अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साउंड एजुकेशन विद डिसिप्लिन. दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट education cannot just come just like I can.
Thank you, sir.
Education, you have
Thank
to
you.
put something into it and you get something. Now all arrangements are made for today's occasion, and the admission is going on. The students from other schools are coming. The students who have left the Vikas Bharati High School, they have also joined. This indicates that our school is one of the best schools in the area. Now all arrangements are made. I hope that you listen to my advice, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
नमस्कार.